Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you manage your time using Instagram and activate the time break. So the first thing you have to do is open your Instagram application, and after that please go visit your profile. And after you are in the profile section, go into the three straight lines and just jump into your settings and privacy. And in the settings and privacy, you just need to scrolling down until you found this time spent here, and then you just need to go click it. So to activate or to get the break reminder after using the Instagram, you just need to go click this break reminder right here. And after that, you just need to choose after how many minutes you want to get the reminder that you need to break from the Instagram. You can choose either 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. Let's say after 20 minutes playing Instagram, you will get the reminder to break. And after that, you just need to go click this turn on. And after 20 minutes playing or open or operate the Instagram, you will get the reminder that you need to break playing your Instagram. So that's the way how to manage your time using Instagram, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.